subscribe button so that you can find the videos on how to fix those issues. Number 1 is motor mounts. If your car is vibrating or if your motor is moving more than it's supposed to, then you need motor mounts. Number 2 is electric brake booster. If you start your car and you have no brakes, you may have a bad electric brake booster. Number 3 is the check valve. If you start your car and you have no brakes, then you may have a bad check valve. Number 4, seat peeling. The 4th most common issue on a CTS is your seat peeling or ripping. Number 5, seat folding. The 5th most common issue is when you can't fold your seat forward. Number 6, door opening. The 6th most common issue is when you push the button to open your door and it doesn't work. Those are the 6 most common issues on a CTS scooter. So hit the subscribe button to find the videos on how to fix those issues.